Yo, what is up guys, Strango here, and today I'm going to show you a couple of neat and really simple textures you can use from within Photoshop. First I'm going to start off by showing you perhaps the easiest one, and like the less functioning one, but it works anyway. So you're going to want to, I'll start this again. You're going to want to go to File, New, and you're going to want to create about a 100 by 100 pixel canvas with a transparent background. Zoom in really far now, and you're going to want to you're going to use your pen tool, and you're going to try and grab the very corner, and you're going to go, holding shift, just click at the top, and it should automatically take you there, and just continue to pen tool around like so. You can right click, and you can make selection. As I said, this is a really simple texture which anyone can make. You're then going to go to your brush, and choose a soft brush, hardness 0%, and quite a high size, about 62. Then you're going to change your brush to white, and you're going to paint inside the selection like so. And then press Control or Command D. You're just going to create a new layer behind it. I'm just going to put a background so this is more visible for you to see. Then going to want to Control J, which duplicates the layer. And then you can press Control I, which inverts the color. Then you can go to Edit, Transform, and flip it vertically. Zoom out then, and just make sure that everything is lined up okay. Like that. You can then hide the background layer, and you're going to go to Edit. Yes, and then you're going to Edit, Define Pattern. And we're just going to call this Pattern 3 for now. So move to File and New. And I'm just going to create 1000 by 1000 canvas just to show you how good this can be when it's tiled. So I'm just going to create a background by here, and you're going to then want to go up to Fill and choose Pattern, and then choose Pattern 3. As you can see, it doesn't look too good right now, but if you set it to Overlay and you set the opacity to about 15, you get a nice little sort of indented diamond effect, which can work well in sort of web design art and stuff like that. The next one I'm going to show you is a bit more practical, and it's more used in sort of YouTube backgrounds. It's very good to create a small and good texture. So you're going to go to File, New, and you're going to create one which is about 1200 by about 700. This gives you a nice big canvas to work with. You then go to the pen tool, and you're going to create something which is not as big as your last selection, keeping it like this. And make selection, click OK. You're going to go to your pen tool, you're going to go to your brush again, you're going to want to make it a bit bigger this time, and choose white. Paint down this side again. Press Control D. I'm also going to put another background because it's just easier for you to see. Didn't want to do that. So you're going to duplicate that layer again and invert the color. Then you're going to Edit, Transform, and flip vertical. Now you might be saying, well, this doesn't look any different. Well, that's kind of because it's a different shape, but the way we're going to do this is a lot different than the way you just tiled the last one. Because of the size on this one, it can be used in a much more varied way, and because of the angles, it's much easier. So you're then going to duplicate those layers, and I'm just going to Edit, Transform, and flip horizontal to pull it together to make that. And we're just going to move those a bit more centered. Actually, I'm going to move it to the exact center. You can do this by going onto your background layer, pressing Ctrl and T to open the transform, and then grabbing your rulers in, which can be toggled on and off by Ctrl R. I also do apologize if the mic quality is bad. I haven't got a mic stand yet or a filter for it, and my new computer is really loud. So then you just drag those to the middle like so. And then you're going to also you can merge those then, and then you can set it to Overlay. And you can turn the opacity down to about 50. If you want to now, you can duplicate it again and Edit, Transform, and flip vertical to make this sort of shape. If you want to again, you can also flip it vertically, and you can do a world of things with this sort of texture. One last texture which I'm going to show you is much simpler and it's much more indented. You're going to go to File and New. You're going to want to create something which is 22 by 22 pixels. Zoom in a lot and then right click on your brush and get your pencil tool. You're going to make your brush black and you're going just so I can get the midpoints of this, because you do need to work with the midpoints a lot in this sort of work. You're going to delete it and then return to your pencil tool. And that was a very scruffy line. What you're going to do is you're going to brush every pixel up diagonally until you reach the top. And then you can go back down. Now, it's a tedious process, but to make it simpler you can just Ctrl J, edit, transform, and flip vertically, and then just pull it down like that. Merge those layers then, and I think you've guessed by now, you're going to duplicate it, invert the color, and bring it one down. You're also going to bring it behind the black. You can then go to Edit, Define Pattern. We're going to call this Pattern 4 from now. So I'm just going to open up this YouTube template by MDC. If you want to download this, I'll give you to his video in the description. You can then go to New Layer. I'm just going to show you a couple of these styles. Go into Pattern, and then we go here. Go like that, and put it to Overlay. Zoom in, and you have this really nice. And you have this really nice indented pattern overlay. It's a really quick and effective way to make your work look a lot better. You can see how I use this sort of designer in the background, which I made for Mogi, who made the new intro, which I hope you enjoyed at the start of the video, and also my new background as well. It's the same, and it's a really, really good one, which can bring out good shadow and highlights in your background to give it more depth. So anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I did drone on a bit and probably talk quite fast, but if you did enjoy it, please consider leaving a like and a favorite or a comment, and also dislike it if you didn't like the video, and leave me some constructive criticism. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.